Chef Winston J. Cooking Lab. Today I'm going to do some mutton curry. Yes, some mutton curry. That's sea salt. First ingredient, sea salt. Next is curry powder. We rise, we shine. Your dream, my dream, perfectly aligned. From small beginnings, big stories we tell. Together forever, Chef Winston Gel. Next, I'm going to put a special herbal seasoning called Dash Original. In every chat, in every vibe, he builds. Those are my secret ingredients. Support each other, lift and yell. Another dash. Flavor blend. No hate, no pain, only positive flow. Flavor blend, it has everything in it. Now I'm going to add some garlic powder. Next, I'm going to add some onion powder. You're welcome. Chef Winston Gel. All purpose. I'm going to add some curry oil. Some mutton. Gold curry mutton.
Every heart, every soul we unite. In every stream we shine our light.